Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your account on the OneFootball application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then you should tap on the profile icon down below, which is the last option. And now you should tap on the account button next to the profile section. So here you need to verify your email first. So tap on the verify email. Then a confirmation link has been sent to your email. So go to your that email and press the button verify email. So you will find a button in a black box. Tap on it, and if you click on that button again, you are going to see that you are signed in with your email address. So you can